Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about internet computer price prediction and internet computer news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for internet computer in 2022. Internet computer is the world's first blockchain that runs at the speed of the internet with unlimited bandwidth. It represents the third major innovation in blockchain technology after Bitcoin and Ethereum, a blockchain computer that scales smart contract calculations and data, produces them at the speed of the internet, processes and stores data efficiently, and provides powerful development frameworks. By making all this possible, internet computer allows the next step to completely rethink software. It provides a revolutionary new way to build tokenized internet services, industry-wide platforms, decentralized financial systems, and even traditional enterprise systems and websites. The project was founded in October 2016 by Dominic Williams and aroused significant interest from the crypto community. The war together in virtual reality parties dubbed People Parties. Each attendee who proves personhood using the People Party system is then identified to smart contracts as an individual human being. The system prevents cheating, such that on each run, a person is only able to attend exactly once. In this proposal, smart contracts would open a new crypto account for each successful attendee, which they can access and control using an internet identity. The post added, to incentivize citizens, Williams proposes that crypto rewards in assets such as Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether, could be utilized. Each Russian citizen would be required to watch until the end of the videos, as PIN numbers tied to their accounts would not be unlocked until all of the content is consumed. The streaming video will tell the truth about the war in Ukraine and ask Russians to pressure their government into ceasing hostilities. How such a video is best constructed should be left to talented filmmakers. A non-watermarked version should be made available for download, allowing the recipient to show others the video, Williams wrote. The $250 million sum suggested by Williams is based on his recommendation to pay each participant $50 per video watched, with the hope of attracting 5 million Russians to watch the informative videos. The plan relies on many contingencies falling into place. The most important is the internet staying online, with no interference from the Russian government to facilitate such a grand plan. Responses on Twitter pointed out that Moscow officials are reportedly weighing upon disconnecting the country from cyberspace. Other Twitter users weren't impressed with the idea, such as Omega.ic3, who slammed the move as a PR stunt. There is no way this idea would have any real chance to impact public opinion in Russia. Therefore it looks like a cheap PR shot, ultimately trying to profit off the situation by jumping on the bandwagon of popular opinion and increase visibility. Let's explain that Dfinity has chosen to prioritize these integrations to help facilitate its vision for a multi-chain future. He said, if Bitcoin is going to be around forever, how do we actually provide the best user experience is to combine all these networks directly. In December, Dfinity enabled smart contracts, called canisters in its ecosystem, to hold their own balances of ICP tokens. The ICP currently supports 250,000 queries per second, executed with 1 to 2 second transaction finality. The ICP token rose 56% in the first 5 days of the new year, amid a flurry of optimistic news. However, it was one of the worst performing crypto assets in 2021, dumping 97% from its May all-time high. On January 4, Binance announced it would list a financial instrument that would enable traders to directly swap ICP to and from Ethereum's native token, Ether. The idea for a perpetual world computer was inspired by Ethereum technologist Dominic Williams, who became a co-founder and the chief scientist at Dfinity. How the uses smart contracts to power the emerging Web3 decentralized ecosystem. According to Dfinity, there are over 1,000 developers building on the blockchain. Projects include social media dApps such as DeSocial, DSCVR and Distort, Metaverse projects such as Pocket Studios and Gallery, and Gamefi projects such as Cubron and Metasports Basketball. The next news, Internet Computer plans to roll out BTC and ETH integrations by end of Q1. The Internet Computer has released a roadmap for 2022 and beyond, indicating plans to roll out integrations with Bitcoin and Ethereum by the end of the year. The Internet Computer is a public blockchain and protocol that allows developers to install smart contracts and decentralized applications directly on the blockchain. It was incubated and launched in May 2021 after years of development by Dfinity, a nonprofit based in Zurich. The direct Bitcoin integration will be launched as part of Dfinity's Chromium Satoshi release, which is planned for Q1. It is plausible that it will be able to move to 0.75 next. This would infer that ICP is likely to outperform Arkansas. However, with continuous rejections at the 50 RSI level, it is likely that the price may hit the lower level in the foreseeable future. It flux on a one-day chart. CP bulls are currently trying to flip the 12.51 resistance into support. If they are successful, the token will outperform Flux, at least till the price reaches 13.84. The price is consolidating around 12.50, so there is a possibility that it could move up higher from here. If ICP Flux does get rejected at 12.52, it will probably move down to test the demand zone at 10.5. This would be a minus 14.9% move, which would benefit Flux bulls. Therefore, until the resistance has been flipped on the daily chart, it is not recommended to go long. Arkansas Flux on a one-day chart. Arkansas Flux looks as if it is breaking to the upside. It has a clear bullish market structure, whilst also being in an uptrend for the past 2 weeks. The next stop is likely 25, which is a large supply zone. Whether Arkansas bulls have the momentum to get the price above this level could be debated. If the price starts to close below 21.8, then it'll likely test the bottom at around 18.16. The price has reclaimed the 50 levels on the RSI, though, therefore, it is likely to go higher. Expected in 2023 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum ICP price ranges from $32.36 to $37.93 for 2023. Internet Computer Rate Forecast 2024. The current price range of Internet Computer may be of interest to many traders, and therefore ICP could reach $56.09 by 2024 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $47.85 for 2024, it could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. ICP Price Prediction 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Internet Computer price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ICP price will rise to around $72.27 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $78.34 with a minimum price level $70.36. ICP Price Prediction 2026. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term ICP price forecast will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2026 could end with an average bid of $103.99 and a minimum bid of $101.09. The maximum bid is expected to be around $121.91. Internet Computer Price Prediction 2027. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Internet Computer could cross $175.98 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2027. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2027 will be around $148.19. Internet Computer Course Prediction 2028. In 2028, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Internet Computer will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach $244.97 in 2028. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $219.55 with a maximum price of $244.97 for 2028. Internet Computer Price Prediction 2029. It appears that by 2029, Internet Computer, ICP, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2029, we can expect the average rate to be $309.81. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that the maximum price of Internet Computer could be up to $367.86 in 2029. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market.